In this quick video, I'll show you how to play zip video file in Android. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. Before extracting your zip file, we need to make sure that you have installed a good file manager in your mobile. So for that, just open Play Store in your mobile and search here Google Files and download this Files app by Google and open it in your mobile. Once you open it, locate to the file which you want to extract. So my file is in downloads folder. I'll go to downloads here, and here you can see this is my zip video file. I want to extract it. So for that, click on your file and then you will see option of extract. Click on it and then your file will be extracted in the same destination. And here you can choose as well. If you want to delete your zip file, then tick on it and then tap on done, and then your zip file will be deleted and only your video file will be remain on your device. I don't want to delete my zip file, so for that I'll deselect it and click on done, and there you go. I have successfully played a zip video file in my Android. If I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.